Hello students, today we'll discuss Class 11th Mathematics, Chapter 1, Introduction to Sets and their Representation. Concepts of sets is an important part of the modern day mathematics. It is used in functions and relations, probability, trigonometry, and series. So, first we'll discuss what is the definition of the set. What is a set? The set is a well-defined collection of objects or elements. These objects can be numbers, rivers of the country, states, members of the cricket team, like that. We see an example. The states of India. See, I ask you what are the states of India. You'll say 29 states are there, starting from Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, like that. We keep on saying that. And if I ask your friend, he will tell me the same answer. There are 29 states, and the names are the same. So the collection is the same irrespective of the person whom you are asking. So the responses are the same from different persons. Everybody will give the same response. So collection is same for the set. So what we mean by well-defined objects is collection of the elements are well-defined. So states of India is as qualified to be a set. Similarly, students of your class can take the roster register and see that who are the students in your class. You will be getting the same list of the numbers. Suppose 40 students are there. You will count the 40 numbers, 40 students, and if I ask your friend, he will tell the same thing, 40 number of students. So the collection is 40 number. So 40 number of students are available in this class. So another example is, see what are the vowels in the English language. As you know, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in English language. This response, as I said again, this response will be same but from anybody, well-defined collection. So this is qualified to be a set. So the solution of the equation, so you can say x square minus 5x plus 6. It has got two solutions, only 2 and 3. The solution set of this equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is called 2, 3. This is another set. So now another odd natural numbers less than 10. What are they? You can say 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So less than 10, these are the odd numbers. This is another collection. So now all these are qualified to be set. That means they are well-defined collection of objects. So now take different example. But look at the following: 10 top batsmen. I will ask you who are the 10 top batsmen. You will start with Virat Kohli. Your friend will start with, oh, no, Sachin Tendulkar was the best. The third person says Dhoni is the best. So there is no consistency. The response varies from person to person. So that is not a set. It's not a well-defined set. Similarly, suppose 5 actors are there. Who are they? I say, who are the best 5 actors of the Bollywood? I say Amitabh Bachchan. You will say, no, it is Shah Rukh Khan. Oh, somebody from the generations, your teacher may say, no, it is Rajesh Khanna. So again, these things vary from person to person. So 5 best actors in the Bollywood is not a set. Again, now tough chapters in mathematics. Oh my God, I said algebra is the most tough subject. No, you say algebra is very easy. For me, the calculus is very difficult. So, see, this is also not a unique, you will not get a unique answer from different persons. So, this is not a set. These are not well-defined sets, so these collections are not qualified to be sets. So, now we have a brief idea about the set. What is a set? It's a well-defined collection of elements. Now, another important note is elements of the set, objects of the set, members of the set are all synonymous. See, you can interchangeably, you can use those names. but we use elements for our course. Okay. Now another important thing is sets are denoted by capital letters, and elements are denoted by small letters. Elements are written between the opening and closing curly brackets. Okay, this is the structure of the set. Then take some examples. Define the set of odd numbers less than 10. What are they? As we saw, it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And define a set of letters in the word college. This means here you can see what are the letters here: C, O, L, and L, A, G, E. L is repeated. Usually we don't mention repeated members in the set. L is written only once. The members of the set are C, O, L, A, G, E. There are two methods of representing a set. One is roster or tabular form. The other one is set builder form. Roster means similar to your register, student register. Either all the names are there, continuously written in the serial order. See, in the same manner, all the elements of the set are written in the set, separated by commas. That is the roster form. Roster is simplest form. Set builder form is such that, see, the elements will share a common property. That common property is unique to those elements in the set. Elements outside the set will not have that property. That property is defined by a statement. I will show you in the next slide. See, here's set builder form. You can see we write the name of the set and opening brackets, a variable name, and such that is a colon. The symbol we read it as such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. This is the statement which uniquely defines the property of the element inside the set. Got it? I'll repeat it. You see, here we are defining a set by name A, and we are having a variable there. That variable such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. This is the property of the elements in the set. That means all the elements in that set will share the common property. Outside the set, the elements will not have this property. That's the meaning of it. You see, why roster form and why set builder form? Set in the roster form, you cannot, suppose you wanted to write all the natural numbers up to 1000. How will you write that in the roster form? It takes 1, 2, 3, like that. You keep on writing up to 1000. It's practically not possible. In roster form, you can write a simple statement. What will write? X is such that 1 is less than or equal to X less than 1000. You can write less than or equal to 1000. That means all the numbers between 1 to 1000 qualify to be the element of this set. बस इतना ही बात है. Now we'll see some examples of important sets representation. So n is, as you know, natural number. The set of all the natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the set of z is called all the set of integers minus infinity to 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinity. So Q is a set of all rational numbers. Q is a natural number which can be written in the form of P by Q. You know it. Q is not equal to 0, and P and Q are integers. See, like that, R is real numbers. You know the real numbers. Z, set of positive integers, Z plus. Q plus is the set of positive rational numbers, and R plus is set of all the positive real numbers. Now we'll see the symbol epsilon. any element to mention that element belongs to the set or not, we'll use the symbol epsilon. Okay, this is epsilon says that A belongs to A. We write it A belongs to A. This is the meaning of it. B, suppose B is not a part of the set. B does not belong to A. This is the meaning of it. How we write. Now in this, the B vowel in English alphabet A belongs to B, but B does not belong to B. You understood this, right? A belongs to B, but B does not belong to B. In the set P of prime factors of 13, what are the prime factors of 13? 2, 3, 5. That's it, right? So 3 belongs to P, but 15 does not belong to P. So this is the symbols we used. Make a note of it. I think slash is missing here. 2 is not equal to 0. Now we are through with the introduction part of it. So I will give you a small assignment. Try yourself. It's not difficult. You can do it. If you don't get the answer, I will solve them for you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with the solutions to exercise 1.1.